What is this iShares ETF and why does everyone on crypto Twitter seem to be caring so much right now? It's Blackrock's Bitcoin spot ETF, that's why. And now there's news, fake news, that it's been approved by the SEC. There's a lot of lessons to be learned here, and I think that a lot of people just got a gut check, so we're gonna get into it in today's video. If you guys wanna know how Toby and I and our CT Club members, if they've been paying attention, are more than ready for this opportunity that is going to present itself when this ETF is passed, I highly recommend you check out learningcrypto.com. It's our new website. We're really excited to have that new platform now to share with you. Check out learningcrypto.com so that you can be prepared for the next crypto bull run, and it's gonna happen sooner rather than later, so don't be stuck on the sidelines. As of the time of filming, about 30 minutes ago, all hell broke loose on crypto Twitter when everyone thought that the Blackrock ETF had been passed. Countless people on Twitter were really excited at this news enough to go ahead and retweet this or spread the good news that the Blackrock ETF was passed, prematurely tweeted this news without maybe checking for verified official sources. It is now, we know that BlackRock officially has said that their Bitcoin spot ETF is still under review. But what did we learn here? Don't believe news that doesn't have any official sources. This is the level of sentiment in the cryptocurrency market right now, and especially the Bitcoin market. There are people that are so hungry for good news, that are so ready for this bull run to get going. For those of you who are still sitting on the sidelines waiting for $10,000, I gotta ask you, how did you feel at this news when it came out that temporarily that BlackRock spot ETF was passed? Did you have a little heart attack and maybe regret trying to perfectly time this market? This is something that we are always saying on this channel, and especially for those who are in our CT Club, you know that we've been dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin and Ethereum for several months now, and we are so ready for the bull run to kick off again so that we can start taking profits, not so that we can start buying. That is how you play the cryptocurrency market. You accumulate when it's boring, you buy when everyone thinks crypto is dead, and you reap your rewards in times like these. So let this be a reminder for you. Keep a sharp eye, understand that the sentiment is changing, and when market trend reversals do happen, you have to be prepared for that time. That's by being proactive, dollar cost averaging. You can't knock that strategy. It's a winning strategy for sure for accumulating your position, especially in Bitcoin. That's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Keeping you guys posted. Like and subscribe. More news is to come for sure, and we'll see you then.